It's about 5:10 p.m. Storm's coming in. Look at those lined up roll clouds. Just incredible, man. They're just lined up all the way. Keep going. All the way up the coast. Just all stacking up. Incredible, man. Storm front's coming in. It's supposed to be pretty wild tonight. 50, 60 mile an hour winds. On storm watch for the marina tonight. We're all ready to go. Lighthouse is doing good. We got one of the new spuds in the water. The big metal pipe up there on the shore. Got one of them holding that thing now. So, just getting ready now for the storm. It's coming. It's here. It's ugly. You see those clouds up there. Back off a little bit. You see how fast they're moving in relation to stationary stuff. They're moving fast. And there's supposed to be some lightning. But yeah, those roll clouds all stacked up along the mountain range there, all the way down. Pretty cool. All right, so see what happens later on this evening as the storm punches in. It's coming though. It's here. Last bit of blue skies right there. Yeehaw. A lot of ugly stuff up there. All right, y'all.